Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss one of the cases of renal calculus which I cured with this remedy. The symptom of the patient was, the patient told me that he has pain here and the pain goes downwards. He had pain in the right side kidney and that pain was going downwards from that. So this was the symptom. The patient came and he told me that जो मेरे को यूरेथ्रा की जगह पे पेन होता है, कभी आगे कभी पीछे, कभी ऐसी जगह पेन चलता है, कभी ऐसी चले समय पेन होता है, बोले समझो. This was the symptom. That means in the urethra he had sometime pain in the forward, sometime pain in the backwards, sometime going like this. So I said, what is like this? So he said, zigzag saman pain hota hai, zigzag saman pain. A very important symptom the patient prescribes, zigzag type of pain. So he had pain from the kidney extending downwards and he had pain is in zigzag pattern. Of course, to be frank, I had never heard this type of zigzag pain, so I kept it aside. On further inquiry, he told me that the pain is normally at the close of urination. जब भी यूरिन में खत्म होती है उसके बाद मेरा दर्द बढ़ता है. And fourth, he told that a pain sometimes is after urination. So you must have guessed the remedy. Yes, the remedy was Sarsaparilla. But few symptoms they added more that he told that there is a bloody urine, that the last part of when the urine ends, the blood comes out, and sometimes with blood the pus comes out also. So this was a classical picture of Sarsaparilla. Again we'll recap. That is pain in the region of kidney getting downwards, pain at the close of urination or pain after urination, bloody urine, last part of urine is bloody, and sometimes the urine is bloody in the last part and it contains pus. So this zigzag pain, which I had never heard, now we have to add this pain in the urethra in zigzag pattern. So it is given in the mater medica. You'll be surprised that if the remedy is right, then whatever the patient tells you, we find in the remedy. If you go home and see Sarsaparilla, it is written pain in the urethra zigzag. Of course, other symptoms of Sarsaparilla that you must remember is urine of Sarsaparilla is burning hot. If you have hot urination, you must think about Sarsaparilla. It is a very important remedy. And urine is cloudy when passed. You have a cloudy urine in Sarsaparilla when it is passed, and urine sometimes is red or fiery red. Every time don't think about lycopodium when the patient says red sand in urine. But if it is fiery red, then you must think about Sarsaparilla. So these were the symptoms with the patient came to me. Of course, Sarsaparilla 200 I gave him first dose, then I repeated after 10 days and again I repeated after 10 days. In about 2 months time the stone came out. But the symptom what the patient told was very important. At that day I learned pain in the urethra zigzag, pain in the region of kidney extending downwards, pain at the close of urination, blood at the last drop of urination, blood with pus, urine cloudy on passing, and urine burning hot. These were the symptoms of Sarsaparilla from which I got the patient cured with renal calculus. But on reading Sarsaparilla, few symptoms I would like to add with this remedy, which becomes important in prescribing a day-to-day practice, and that is sediments. In sediments, if you see, Sarsaparilla has many of sediments in urine. In Sarsaparilla, sediments is cheesy, sediments is clay colored, sediments sand like white sand, or you can say clay colored, cheesy, sand, or white sediments in urine, sand type of in urine. This type of symptoms if you get, you must think about Sarsaparilla. Of course, with this we add few very important symptoms that Sarsaparilla patient might come and tell you. That is, a Sarsaparilla patient desires fruits. एक Sarsaparilla patient को fruits खाने में बहुत पसंद है. And if you define these symptoms, which type of fruits, a Sarsaparilla patient will tell you he desires juicy fruits. Yes, juicy fruits a Sarsaparilla patient desires. On going further, if you see refreshing things, a Sarsaparilla patient desires refreshing things. That can be lemon water also, that can be juicy fruits also, that can be juices also, refreshing. This is a very important symptom of Sarsaparilla. One of the patient that I encountered in my practice and I prescribed Sarsaparilla was, he always had one dream, and that dream was dreams of disaster. He used to comment, Dr. Sahab, I feel as if this is blown off, this is on fire, explosion is going to happen, bomb is going to rupture in here. These type of dreams of disaster. A very important symptom of Sarsaparilla, dreams of disaster. And a Sarsaparilla patient, on close inquiry, if you ask, you will get one more important symptom in the mind of Sarsaparilla patient, that is dreams of mental work, desires mental work in the afternoon. एक Sarsaparilla पेशेंट सिर्फ आफ्टरनून में ही दिमाग का काम अच्छे से कर सकता है, उसको दिमाग मेंटल वर्क आफ्टरनून में करना बहुत पसंद है. I had a patient who used to start studying in the afternoon because she could not memorize or she could not remember or she had no desire to study in the morning. A Sarsaparilla remedy. Sarsaparilla always desires for mental work in the afternoon, and this I have confirmed in many of patients. So apart from the symptoms of urine, these 4-5 symptoms of generals you must remember, and that is desires fruits, desires juicy fruits, desires refreshing things, dreams of disaster, and desires mental work, especially in the afternoon. So in a nutshell, this is Sarsaparilla for you, my friends. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.